Hey lovelies, very warm welcome to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing great. First of all, belated happy Diwali. Belated because I am late, but I think the whole month we celebrate Diwali, right? So that's why belated happy Diwali. I hope कि आप सभी की दिवाली बहुत ही शुभ हुई होगी. Okay, as you can see, the title of this video is a stir fry vegetables. So why I choose this recipe, especially during this time, to share with you guys. You know why? Because I know we all are doing like cheat meal, cheat day, cheat week, even a cheat month in this November, right? So I thought from now onwards we can become little cautious and we can see how our meal is going on, how our diet is going on. So this recipe is also going to help you in reducing your weight. But try to avoid junks, try to avoid deep fry food, try to avoid sweet, try to avoid desserts, everything. See, sometimes I completely understand it's very difficult to avoid all these things when you are invited at someone's place or when you are having guests at your own place. So it's very tough. But how you can manage it in this festive season, that's what I'm going to tell. And it will be very helpful for your body because you will be intaking like vitamin, mineral, iron, potassium, everything what your body needs. Meanwhile, it will be very filling, so you won't feel that you are on diet or you are on fasting. So I know it's also very tiring these days, and but this recipe won't take any time. Just give little efforts and then you are ready. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is one of the simplest recipe which I'm going to share on my channel. First of all, in a pan, take olive oil or sesame oil or mustard oil, whatever you like it. First of all, I'm going to take sliced onion and capsicum. I do have here three types of capsicum. If you have one, just use one. I'm just going to saute them. And I'm using here salt and little bit of coriander powder with garlic powder. That's it. Mix it well. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. Need not to close the lid. And everything I'm going to do is on high flame. That's the thing. Stir vegetables has to be done on high flame. How quickly, see? And again in the same pan, I'm going to take a little bit of oil again and going to add a little bit of black pepper, salt, coriander powder, and broccoli. Mix it well. Just saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. We have to close the lid here and it's done. See? Ready. Going to transfer in a plate again, and I'm doing separately everything. You can also do all together. Again, I'm using the same pan, little bit of oil, sesame oil or olive oil or mustard oil, whatever you like it, little bit of coriander powder with garlic powder. Saute it well for 4 to 5 minutes because the carrot takes little time. If you want, you can also use the steam one, but I haven't steamed them, so I'm going to directly do in the pan. I'm going to close the lid to make it little quick, but if you don't want, don't do that. And see, it's ready. I'm going to transfer it in the same plate. And again in the pan, I'm going to take a little bit of oil, a little bit of garlic powder and coriander powder and mushroom. Just saute it for 4 to 5 minutes again. Close the lid. A little bit of freshly crushed black pepper, salt. Close the lid and it and just wait for 4 to 5 minutes. See guys, it's very easy, very quick. You won't trust that in 15 minutes everything was ready. And if you like, you can also do tofu, paneer, whatever you like. So you don't have any excuse now not to eat these veggies, right? So again, now I'm transferring this all in a pan and I tossed it with sesame seeds and it's done. Enjoy. So guys, I hope you like this recipe. See, it was very simple, very quick. I'm sure if you are going to eat this, you will satisfy your soul as well your stomach. So please go try this out and please comment down below that you like this recipe or not. If you liked it and you have watched till here, you know the drill. Hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Share to your friends and family so that they can also subscribe. And I would like to thank you all those who are pouring love and support to my channel. So thank you so much guys, and right now signing off. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.